truth is a damn hard pill to swallow. I'm reaching out, but all I feel is hollow.
Hey life fam, hello viewers, welcome back to my channel. How are you guys doing? Thank you for tuning in. So fam, I started off by steaming the goat meat because I'm using goat meat for this recipe. So I'm going to be boiling my tomatoes. Tomatoes is ready. So guys, I'm going to be blending. I have ginger, I have bell pepper, and I also have 4 onions. But I'm going to be blending 3 of the onions and leaving this one. So our tomatoes is ready, and this is ready to be blended. So fam, I'm going to start by adding some vegetable oil to my pot, some salt, 1 seasoning cube, and then my onions. At this stage you can add your bay leaves if you are using bay leaves, but as for me, I did not use bay leaves. I kind of just think that bay leaves don't add anything to your jollof rice, even though I still add it sometimes though. So now I'm going to be adding curry powder, okay, that's enough. So I'll just stir everything together and then add my pepper mix. This is a mix of paprika, onions, and Scotch bonnet. So I'll just cover and allow it to fry for about 4 to 5 minutes, and then I add my tomatoes. So after adding the tomatoes, I'm going to cover it again and just let everything fry together for another 5 minutes. So I'll be adding my meat stock. This is the stock from the goat meat. So guys, here is 4 cups of rice. I'm going to be cooking this. This is a basmati rice. So I'm going to be adding more salt, yeah, because I tasted it and I figured out the salt wasn't enough. So our stew is ready, guys. So right now I'm just going to remove some stew and set it aside, because if you have too much sauce in your pot, your jollof rice is going to burn real quick, even without your rice getting done. So after adding the rice, I'll go ahead and add about 3 cups of water, as in enough water to cook your rice. So I think it also depends on how hard or how soft you like your rice. At this stage the water is almost dried. I'm just going to add the stew that I removed earlier on. So I'm going to cover it and allow it to cook the final cooking. this stage the rice is almost ready but not yet ready, so I'm going to be covering it with a foil paper. Like this is going to do the final cooking, guys. No need to add water. So guys, I'm going to be putting this in the oven right now. At this stage, fam, our jollof rice is good as ready. Just take a look at that. Take a look at that amazing goodness. Yeah, because I don't like my jollof rice dried, I'm going to be adding the remaining sauce. Yes, I didn't finish it the other time. I left just a little bit, so I'm going to be adding it. And guys, trust me, this sure makes a big difference. And this rice was super delicious and super tasty, and me and my family enjoyed every bit of it. So I'll just keep stirring so that the rice and the sauce can marry each other. You know what I mean. So fam, at this stage our jollof rice is ready. So if you enjoyed this video or you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't done so already. So thank you for watching, fam. I appreciate you all. I'll see you in my next one. Just take a look at that amazing goodness. Just take a look. Thank you for watching, guys. Bye bye.